Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, in the previous class we had discussed twinkling of stars and planets do not twinkle, which are the two phenomena caused by the atmospheric refraction. Now today we will discuss two other phenomena caused by atmospheric refraction. One is advanced sunrise and delayed sunset, and second is stars seem higher than they actually are. Dear students, first we will discuss advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Dear students, what is sunrise? What do you mean by sunrise? Sunrise means when the sun crosses the horizon. It means when the sun crosses the horizon. That is, when the sun crosses the horizon, it is called sunrise. Now, what is horizon? What do you mean by horizon? Dear students, the line where the sky and the land meet us, where the sky and the earth meet us, is called horizon. In other words, we can say the apparent junction of earth and the sky. The apparent junction of earth and the sky is called horizon. Dear students, at the time of sunrise, when the sun is slightly below the horizon, the light from the sun enters the earth's atmosphere, passes from rarer to denser layers, bending towards the normal every time. When the sun is slightly below the horizon, the light from the sun entering the earth's atmosphere, it passes from rarer to denser layers, bending towards the normal every time. We already know that when the light passes from rarer to denser medium, it refracts towards the normal. Same is the case here. Dear students, because of this atmospheric refraction, the sun appears to be raised above the horizon when actually it is slightly below the horizon. Dear students, in this figure, suppose this straight line is the horizon. This straight line is the horizon. The actual position of the sun is just below the horizon. This is the actual position of the rising sun. It is just below the horizon. It is just below the horizon. But it appears to be above the horizon due to the atmospheric refraction of light rays coming from the sun. It appears to be above the horizon due to the atmospheric refraction of light rays coming from the sun. This is because our eye, that means the observer's eye from the earth, see the sun at the position from where light enters it in the straight line direction. Dear students, the difference in time involved is 2 minutes. That is, the sun appears to be raised 2 minutes earlier. Similarly, the sun, which has already gone just below the horizon, appears to be just above the horizon due to the atmospheric refraction. The difference in the time involved is 2 minutes. That is, the sun appears to set 2 minutes later. In this way, the length of each day increases by 4 minutes due to the atmospheric refraction. Dear students, second point is stars seems. Second phenomena of atmospheric refraction is stars seems higher than they actually are. Dear students, light from a star bends. When light comes from a star, it bends. That means it refracts. Air higher up in the sky is rarer, but nearer to the earth is denser. The air higher up in the sky is rarer, but nearer to the earth is denser. Dear students, when light from a star comes down, the denser air bends the light more. Due to refraction of star light, the star appears to be at a higher position. Dear students, In this figure, the actual position of the star is here. Suppose this is the actual position of the star. Suppose this is point 1 or this is point A. This is the actual position of the star. But due to atmospheric refraction, it seems higher in the sky at this position. Suppose this is the higher position. This is the apparent position of the star. It seems higher in the sky due to the atmospheric refraction. This is because our eyes see the star at the position from where light enters it in the straight line direction. So, dear students, these are the phenomena caused by the atmospheric refraction. Thank you, students.